When I sat with your team to customize the car, first the decision was what kind of engine to get. And when I drove the TDI, I realized that it drives no differently from a petrol engine. And I in fact found it a bit more sporty to drive.
Peppy.
Peppy, very peppy. So I enjoyed the engine. And then when it came to the interiors, what you can actually do is with the 8, you can actually customize your interiors completely. And there's a huge selection from which, we went through various different color shades. And I think, yeah, white with red interiors looks cool. It's very difficult to choose what you like best about the E8. That's the reason I chose it, to get this car. Like I said, to be driven around in, it's by far the most comfortable car I've ever sat in. And especially for long drives, it really doesn't feel like you're driving in a car or in bad traffic. With the multimedia entertainment that you have, the music, the sound is brilliant. Bang & Olufsen have done this, the stereo and the sound, so it's fantastic sound. But I would have to say the best thing about it is the drive. It drives beautifully. I remember the first Audi I ever sat in. I was studied in Switzerland, and the first time I went to school was in my uncle's bronze Audi Quattro, I remember, we used to have in 1986. And it was the only car that we used to take out in the Swiss winters because of the Quattro. It was the safest car to drive in the snow. I don't think we'll have much problem with the snow in Mumbai, but for the rains, it's brilliant. So I think in today's day and age, the car has almost become an essential part of your everyday life. And I'm actually looking forward to challenging Michael to a race on the Budh International Circuit. We've got a side bet going over there, where we'll race each other, and I've promised him, although he's a trained racer and represents Audi, I've challenged him that I will beat him in a race. So that's the next up.